unboxing the Tornado V2. I don't know how to say this because I never unboxed it. There you go, that's better. That looks so cool. Okay, what do I have here? This is the cube. Let's open it. Well, it comes in plastic. Don't worry, I'm very strong. Can you get some scissors? Back, so that was weird. Let's see how this turns. I think this needs magnet adjustment. So yeah, the last I can do it T-perma. Okay, so it's about warpy. So the T-per has adjustments in the white summer cap. No, doesn't have one. It's supposed to have one. Okay, fine. Let's just go on. Does it have a magnet adjustment? Oh, it does. Turn it. What do we have in this box? That's not how I box things, so yeah. Oh, that's a tutorial. That's a bag. This is whatever it is. This is something to wash it maybe. And I get a free card for the competition. And lube. Wait, is this? No, it's a screwdriver. Where'd all the adjustment things go? Okay, let's see read the instructions to. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Does it show how to adjust the cube? Okay, that's it. Okay, so let's do one more solve and then I'm gonna end the video. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. I mean, it doesn't feel that loose, but it's okay. I don't care about it. Where is that? There should be like magnet adjustments on there, right? Or is that? I hate C-flop. Is it this way? Yes. Oh! My first pair is like in 2 minutes. Oh, that was cool. And it goes like, this, and then it goes like that, and then, oh! Does this always have to be a flipped edge pair? Now I want to flip the edges. Put that like that, move it around, move it back in, and put it back there. And then I have, oh, skip! 54, that was the worst. Bye!